Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Lawyer classes. Today I am going to explain assignment number 10 in statistics chapter. Coming to question number 1, the following numbers are the size of shoes sold by shop. In a particular day, find the mode. So we know that mode is called the highest repeating number or frequently most repeating number is called the mode. So you observe the data. Here first number is 6, 6 repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 6 4 times, and coming to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 5 times, and 8 only 1 8, and 10 only 2, 10s are 2, 10 2 times. So you observe that here 7 is repeated 5 times. 7 mostly repeated number is 7. So mode of the data is equal to 7. Therefore mode is equal to 7. Next, coming to question number 2. Define a mode. So already we know just in this problem, the mode is called the frequently highest repeated number. Mode is called maximum repeated number is called the mode. So coming to definition, a mode is the value among the observations which occurs most frequently. So repeated number of times is called a mode. Okay, coming to question number 3. Second Roman, solve the following. The weight of parcels in a transport office are given below. First one is called weights, second one is called number of parcels, and find the mean. He asking mean of the given data. So I solved this problem by using direct method. The formula for direct method is sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. So just coming to the problem, here the first column can be weights, or this is weights. The weights can be taken as x value. The number of parcels, number of is denoted as frequency f. So these are our f, and to find f into x, fi into xi or f into x. So multiply these two. 50 into 25, that is equal to 1250, and do this same multiplication. 65 into 34 is 2210, and coming to 75 into 38. So find these multiplications like this, and then we find the formula for mean is equal to mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 2. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 6 x into f into x by sigma f. Here also I is equal to 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means there are 6 observations are given. So coming to, first we find sigma f value. Sigma f is nothing but the number of how many parcels are there. That is equal to, here sigma f is equal to 200. So 200 parcels, and next we find sigma f into x. So add all these, we will get a 17,000. So coming to we finalize the problem. Mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to 6 f into x by sigma f. So we can conclude the problem. X bar is equal to sigma fi into xi, or f into x is equal to 17,000 by sigma f is equal to 200. Just cancel 2 zeros, that is equal to 170 by 2, that is equal to 85. So is the mean of the given data. Okay, coming to question number 4. The heights of boys and girls of class 9th of a school are given below. So these are heights, boys and girls. He asking, compare the heights of boys and girls. Here we use the method, the median method. We use median method. First of all, coming to the solution, here the first column heights, second column boys, number of boys. Here number of boys are, first one is 2, 5, 12, third one 10, 7, 1, 10, 7, final one is 1. This is 7, final one is 1. And first of all, we find median to find cumulative frequency. Brush first write 2 and add this 2 plus 5, 7, and add these two, that is equal to 19. 19 plus 10, 29. 29 plus 7, that is equal to 36. And 36 plus 1, that is equal to 37. 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. Then coming to find cumulative frequency, first of all write 2, add below the number 2. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 plus 12 equal to 19. 7 plus 12 equal to 19. 19 plus 10. What is the value of 19 plus 10 is equal to 29. 29 plus 7, that is equal to 36. And 36 plus 1, that is equal to 37. We observe that the sum of frequencies is equal to the last term of cumulative frequency. So first of all, I find the median of for boys. Just observe here, sigma Fi boys is equal to 37. Here observe 37 is an odd number. Observe 37 is an odd number. If we find median, if n is odd, then the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation, that is equal to, this is odd number. Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 37 plus 1 by 2. 37 plus 1 equal to 38. 38 by 2, the value of 38 by 2 is 19. Okay, you observe the value of 19, where the 19 placed in cumulative frequency. Where the 19 placed in cumulative frequency. Here exactly 19 is, there is a 19. Okay, just 19 is third value here. Take the third value in the heights. So this is called the median heights of boys. So here median is equal to boys height is equal to, the value is 147. Okay, this is the median of boys heights. And coming to goals section, here goals are 1 to 10. Let's write here 1, 2, second value 2, third value 10, fourth is 5, 6, 5. And we find height of the goals to find cumulative frequency of the goals. I find cumulative frequency of the goals. First of all, write 1. Already we know the cumulative frequency in your classes. Add 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 plus 10, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 6, that is 24. 24 plus 5, that is equal to 99. You observe that the last value of cumulative frequency denotes the number of goals in your class. The last value of cumulative frequency denotes the number of goals in your class. So here sigma Fi goals is equal to 29. Sigma Fi goals is equal to 29. This is also odd number. This is also an odd number. Therefore, median is equal to 29 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 30 by 2, that is equal to 15. 15th observation. You observe it in cumulative frequency there is no 15th observation. In cumulative frequency there is no 15th observation. So how can we conclude this? In cumulative frequencies, this is 15. Just highest value just highest value of in cumulative frequency, that is equal to 18 is here. You observe that 18 is fourth value. So take fourth value in these 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called girl's height. This is called boy's height. So girl's height is equal to here 152. So we compare these two heights. Here observe, girl's height is high, boy's height is less. So this is the difference of their heights. Okay, coming to question number 5. This is third Roman. Solve the following. Centuries scored and number of cricketers in the world given below. So number of centuries, number of persons. So here observe number of centuries. Here 5 centuries, 10, 15, 20, 25. So number of cricketers. You observe that 5 centuries, 56 number of cricketers, and 10 centuries, 23 members, 15 centuries, 39, 20, 13, 25, 18. You observe that. So centuries are here, number of cricketers are there. You observe that in 5 centuries, he is asking mode. The problem is mode. Mode means the number of highest repeating number. Here you observe that in all these numbers 56 is the highest repeating number. 56 is the highest repeating number in all cricketers. So the mode is equal to, so 5 centuries repeated 56 times. Therefore mode is equal to 5. This is a direct problem. You observe that, and remaining 10 centuries repeated 23 times. 10 centuries repeated 23 times, 15 centuries 39 times, 20 centuries 13 times, 25 centuries 8 times. In all these values, 5 is repeated 56 times. 5 is repeated 56 times. Therefore, mode of the given data is equal to 5. Okay, just observe the problem. Thank you very much.